Stop scrolling and look at your life, because the clock is ticking on the person you promised you would become. You have big dreams and goals for this year, but how much longer are you going to keep lying to yourself? How many more years are you going to tell the same damn story of almost and next time? This year is not just another page, it is the chapter where everything changes. But only if you stop pretending you're satisfied when you know damn well you're not. The truth is, 2026 doesn't care about your excuses, your past, or who quit on you. It is a blank canvas, and you are the one holding the pen. Most people think tomorrow owes them a favor, while they waste today doing nothing. But you don't need permission to begin. You need courage. You weren't created to be average. You were created to shake the ground when you walk. Yet the only thing standing between who you are and who you can become is a single cold-blooded decision. To win, you must follow a new blueprint. First, kill the ghost of your past by refusing to let old wounds dictate your new worth. Second, shift from a spectator to a participant by showing up for yourself with the same energy you use to support everyone else. Third, embrace the fed up factor, where you become so disgusted with your own excuses that growth becomes your only option. And fourth, commit to the skill lockdown, where you work when you don't feel like it, because discipline is the only bridge to your dreams. Change doesn't come find you. You have to go get it and take it. The year everything changed for me wasn't the year I got lucky. It was the year I got fed up with shrinking myself to fit into places I had outgrown. 2026 is going to test you and hit you just to see if you're serious this time. But if you're still breathing, there's always another round. Declare it now. Declare it now. I am done living small, done making excuses, and done being afraid of my own potential. Stop waiting for the clock to strike midnight and start becoming that person today. Because the version of you the world is about to meet is unstoppable. If you keep talking and never doing, you'll get exactly what you've gotten every year before: nothing. No more breakdowns, only breakthroughs. All gas, no brakes. Maximum soul. This is your year. This is your time. And this is your moment. Lock in, focus, and own it. Because 2026 is the year you finally take what belongs.